Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Over the years, I've made a couple of videos on this, and hopefully this one's a little bit better. And it's, you can't watch all my videos, so when a new one comes out, people watch it, they might learn a little bit. I helped somebody today, and they were a little confused with left click, right click. I use it all the time. Your left click is your left mouse button. Your right click is your right mouse button. It correlates with this right here just by coincidence, I think. Your left side is your fill and the right side is your outline. So we have two objects here. And if we select them, you can see it's got a black fill with a red outline. If I left click no fill with my mouse, it takes away the fill. If I right click no outline, it takes away the outline. Now, you don't have to do the no outline or no fill. You can left click blue and it turns it blue. You can make it any color you want by left clicking. Same thing if you have a outline. I draw everything in a hairline and in red. If I want to right click that in black, now I've got a black hairline. Or if I go, this is your no fill, no outline box. So if I right click and then I pick on this fill, well, there's actually the deal still there. But I can go here and left click no fill. And if you always think about it, once you get used to it, you won't even have to think about it. But this is left, this is right. So left mouse button, right mouse button, left click, right click. I'd probably say 50% of my videos have that in it. But I keep forgetting that people haven't watched them all. And this young lady, especially today, has, and she just didn't know what she was talking about, or I was talking about. So you could use it as a fill. That's a rectangle. I can left click fill, I can right click green, and now I got a green outline. But this is going to be your most valuable key right here, is to take away the fill. See, I don't even have to think about it. It's just left. And then that's right. And if I want a hairline, it's red. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.